Hi everyone, so this video is about a rear shock damper for the Tricity 125 and 155. I'm not satisfied with the rear shock and I'm looking for ways to improve it. I came across this solution for cars on AliExpress and I made my own design for the Tricity 155, same shock as the 125. But I cannot test it because it's winter and I'm giving the designs away for free. Just please let me know in the comments how you found it. There are 3 designs. One is with big holes, the other one small holes, and one without holes. So please print it from TPU. TPU 95A is the hardest, as far as I know. That should be good. And let me know in the comments below what did you think. Yeah, maybe you could experiment if you put not only one but maybe 2 dampers on each side. Alright, on the pegs out.